The worst snowstorm in the East Coast since 1922. It's a blizzard. It's my home. My lovely, lovely home. Hate it. It's cold. It's really cold. Ah! It's awfully cold. It's cold. I'm in the middle of the street. There's my house again. It's an old building. Cycles. There's a big snow truck. What are you doing? There's our gas station all the way over there. The big red sign. Can't really see it because of the snow. Just walking around. Okay, I better get off the street. More cars. That's our library. It's our tiny library. Littlestown Library. Our post office is all over there where the other flag is. Okay. Oh, better run. There's a big old truck coming right behind me. That's our corner store. That's our only vending machine in Littlestown. Okay. Going home. Cold. Well, see you on YouTube.